Hi everyone, Christy McCammon here. I share tips, tools, and recipes to help you on your journey towards food freedom. Today I'm going to be making cauliflower nachos. I enjoy eating with my family, and sometimes they have nachos and I don't eat the chips anymore. So I always try and come up with ideas or look online for ideas for something that looks like a traditional food, but it is not a traditional food. So cauliflower nachos, they are amazing and simple. I simply have a medium head of cauliflower that I will cut up into small, medium-sized florets. And then I'm going to put the florets into a zip-top bag with some spices. And I have chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and salt. The amounts are in the description. And I simply put the cauliflower in the bag, the seasoning in the bag, with ½ tablespoon of olive oil, mix it up, and I'll show you what we do next. Cauliflower is chopped, ready to add to the bag with the seasonings and olive oil. Now that it's all mixed, I simply have a baking tray that I've lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. I don't want to have to do more dishes than I need to. And then once I do that, I put it in the oven at 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes until it looks nice and roasted. Cauliflower is roasted and ready to finish off. I find that a medium-sized head of cauliflower yields about 10 ounces of cooked cauliflower. Measure it for yourself so you know you're getting the right amount and the vegetables that you want. But all I'm going to do now is I'm going to top it with my protein. You can use ground beef, beans, cheese, whatever you would like to use. I like to split my protein between beans and cheese. So I do half protein of beans, 3 ounces, and then 1 ounce of cheese. And then I put it back in the oven on broil for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I finish it off. Now that it's done, I'm going to add my 3 favorite nacho toppings. I like sour cream, just about 1/4 ounce. Hot sauce, you can use salsa, and then jalapeños. It's time for me to go eat. But before I do, if you know of someone who might like the video, share it with them. I hope you have a really bright day.